Good day everyone, this is Farouk. Alright, so we're doing a quick tutorial on the recursive routing error. When we just get setting up the GRE tunnel. To some, the document on your right looks familiar. Here is the final exam for the one class. Part of it was the setting up a GRE. Alright, so when I was doing this, I was getting this recursive error tunnel. So I decided to check it out to see what was causing it and what was the solution. So on the left I have the packet tracer with the 1841 routers set up, R1, R3 and the ISP. I have some default routes on them. Show IP route, you'll see. Alright, so I have a static route sending this stuff to the ISP, and I have a next static route on this router here. Show IP RT. Alright, so this one has another route. Alright, cool. Alright, so that has the same route, so these two routers could ping each other. Alright, so if I go to ping the 172.27.23.1, it should be successful as this router here. But if I try to ping the network, the 10.10.33.1, right, will be unreachable, right? Right, so come out of that. Right, so we're gonna ping. We wanna do the ping test from this PC to this PC using the tunnel, right? Using this IP address here. So let's set up the tunnel on this one, on router 1. So conti interface tunnel 0 dot. So I'll give it IP address. So we're saying 172.27.13.1. Right, so we're saying tunnel source is the serial 0/0/0, and the tunnel destination is, so if we use the 172.27.13.2, right, so we got bloop, we're gonna get a bloop. Alright, so what is this bloop? Alright, so when I checked it out, it's saying that it have a loop 1, because the scene here, right, content temporarily stable, it'll be turning up and down and all around, and so this is gonna happen, right? So this was happening to me in the setup for this initially, see recursive routing. So when I checked it out, they were saying that when the packet is the header is replaced with the GRE header, right, and then it tried to send it out, so it's sending it out to the it's sending it out through the tunnel, and then it coming back through the tunnel. So it trying to send it in here while it's supposed to go here and come wrong, right? So it's trying to send it here and then collect it back here, so it just a looping, and that's what the Cisco forum said, right? So the destination itself, it causes a loop because it keeps sending it the same, you can see the same address that it trying to access, or it trying to reach the other side. It's sending it through the same pipeline that it's supposed to come from. Alright, so that's the problem. It just keep looping. Alright, so to fix that, we have to do is, so it's gonna do the whole night until it turn off this thing. So we had to change destination. You realize as soon as you put in the destination, it just started to go crazy. So the destination is supposed to be the 172.27.12. Which one? Oh my gosh, this thing gonna go mad. .12.1, right? Should stop going crazy. Alright, so when that done, so we just set the mode GRE IP. Right, so it should stop doing this recursive, will stop looping at this moment, and so that's that. So let me start it up on the other one. So we see in here multi interface tunnel 0, like his IP address, IP add. So this is the 172.27.13. Oops. Who is this? Dot 2. 252, right? So we see the tunnel source is the, I use the serial 0/0/1, right? Tunnel destination. Oh, tunnel mosquitoes and them. Are you going mad? Anyway, tunnel destination. So the destination for this would be is R3. So he would be, oh, I think I put the wrong IP on the other router. That's okay. I will change that. So his destination should be the 172.172.27.12.1, right? Up, right? So now set the mode, GRE, and then IP. Right, that should be up. I think I set the wrong IP on R1. Yeah, that's the wrong IP address for the destination. It's supposed to be the 23.1, right? So hope people saw that little boo boo. Alright, so fix that. Alright, cool. So when they finish talk and send the packets, you should be seeing the routes in your routing table. Let's check it. Show IP route. Alright, so we see the tunnel up. Alright, nice. So who is this? Router 1. Alright, so we need to do one more thing, and that is set up the static route to reach the other side using the tunnel, right? So IP routes. So we're saying we want to reach from R1, we want to reach the 10.10. The side. So the 10.10.33.0 network, 0 using the tunnel 172.13.27.13.2, right? Using you're choosing that guy, and this side you're saying IP routes. So I think you could figure out this one. So reaching the 168.11.0 network using the 172.1. Why I type in that way? 13.1. Nice. Right, so let that do it. SIT. IP routes. Right. So it get to find this guy, the 10.0.0 network here. So if we do the ping test, right, it should set it across. So we ping in the, who's this? Ping in the other system here, which is the 10.10.10, oops, 10.10.33.3. Alright, so instantly you send in a message across using the, alright, let's check it out. Let's do a trace route, TRAC, trace route the 10.10.33.3. So bam bam bam. So it hit the interface here. Alright, so it went straight through the IP route we set. And then it came to the network. Alright. Right, so we see it hitting the 172.27.13.2, which is the tunnel itself. So we want to see that. We see it actually hitting the tunnel and it going straight across. Alright, so let's do it from the next side just to verify. Make sure this thing working. Not working well, then we get 0 marks. I think that was out of how much by. Anyways, ping the who's that way? That's supposed to be. Let me check and see what IP you have. Alright, so he was supposed to be the 192.168.11.3. Alright, so let me do the trace route and see if it's using the other side of the tunnel. 192. So he hit in the other side of the tunnel as well. 172. 27.13.1. Alright. So you see his dot one. And they're both talking to each other. Alright, so we saw the recursive routing craziness. It's going mad. So the problem was the actual tunnel destination. That was the big craziness. So it was a simple thing to do. So I hope this was helpful to those who had trouble. Any questions, you can put them in the comment section. That's it from me. Take care. Good night, everybody.